Good morning, and today, for Thundering Thursday, we'll be having a look at the new Bolt Action Introductory starter set. Let's have a look at what it says. Oh, right, it contains a 64-page field manual, which will be a slightly simplified version of the rules. Maybe not as complete as some of the rules that we're used to. 12 German Grenadiers, which will be 2 sprues. 12 US Rangers, again, which will be 2 sprues. The famous ruined farmhouse terrain set. A double-sided gaming mat, which is new for Warlord. 6 order dice, I'm assuming that's 3 of each. 8 6-sided dice. Punch board, which I'm assuming is tokens and the 251, and the dice pouch. So let's have a look inside. Excuse me. So as expected, yes, 3 green, 3 grey. Dice pouch. Bases. The farmhouse set, which I'll be having a closer look at for Terrain Tuesday next week. Some more bases. Thank you, Alexandra. And then we have 2 sprues of Rangers, who can also be built as regular infantry and as engineers. I'll be having a closer look at those soon. And 2 sprues of the German Grenadiers. These are more late war or mid-war to late war, driven by some of the weapon options, which again I'll be having a closer look at. So more bases and the punch board. As expected, we knew we was getting the cardboard 251 and punch out pin markers, immobilise marker, and a ruler. Wonderful. The double-sided mat, which I believe is plain green on one side and has a road on the other. So that's the road. Yeah, and plain green on the other side. And then we have the field manual. So yeah, this is introducing the rules in a very simplified way and suggested builds for each of the missions in the set. So that's useful, having the complete sprue layouts. Very good. Oh, that's at the Britcon Grand Tournament, and I think I'm maybe in that picture somewhere. Maybe not. As expected from Warlord, very high production value on the magazine, well, on the rulebook. With useful painting guides, which of course we'll all completely ignore. Oh, excuse me. Cat's caught. Sorry about that. Let's see. brief introduction to major factions and some of the minor factions. And little insert for more information. So all in all, wonderful little set, and will be a welcome addition to my German troops. So I'm putting together a mid to late war army, while the Rangers will see duty in my American army as engineers. So thank you for that, and see you all soon.